Ever wondered why vitamins are so crucial to our body's function? Well, let's dive into the fascinating world of these microscopic yet mighty molecules. Vitamins play a pivotal role in maintaining our health and vitality. They're like the unseen conductors of our body's orchestra, directing a symphony of functions that keep us feeling our best. Picture this. Your body is a well-oiled machine, and vitamins are the essential lubricants that keep the gears moving smoothly. They serve as crucial catalysts, sparking chemical reactions that power up our bodies, from the tips of our toes to the top of our heads. Think about the last time you relished a hearty meal. As you savored each bite, vitamins were busy at work, aiding in the digestion of those delicious nutrients. They help transform the food we eat into energy, fueling us for the day's tasks and adventures. But their role doesn't stop at digestion. Vitamins also act as our body's personal bodyguards, bolstering our immune system. They stand guard, ready to fend off harmful invaders, be it a common cold or a more serious infection. In addition to this, vitamins are the unsung heroes of growth and development. From the moment we're born, they support the growth of our bones, skin, and organs, and continue to do so throughout our lives. Also, let's not forget their role in metabolism. Vitamins ensure that our metabolic processes, which are responsible for maintaining life at a molecular level, function efficiently. They help break down fats and carbohydrates, making sure our bodies run like a well-tuned engine. So you see, vitamins wear many hats. Whether it's aiding digestion, boosting immunity, supporting growth, or overseeing metabolism, these tiny powerhouses are essential for our overall well-being. They're the invisible force that keeps us healthy, energized, and ready to take on the world. So the next question arises, what are these vitamins and how many types are there? First in line, we have vitamin A. This essential nutrient plays a critical role in maintaining our overall health. Let's delve a little deeper into the world of vitamin A. Vitamin A is best known for its integral role in maintaining good vision. It helps your eyes adjust to light changes, keeps them moist, and improves night vision. But that's not all it does. Vitamin A is also a champion for your immune system, helping to strengthen it, so you can fight off those pesky germs and viruses more effectively. But wait, there's more. Vitamin A is also a key player in cell growth, aiding in the formation and maintenance of heart, lungs, kidneys, and other vital organs. Common sources of vitamin A include carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach. So the next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to toss these into your cart. So remember to include vitamin A-rich foods in your diet for a healthier you. Next, we step into the complex world of vitamin B. Now let's traverse the intricate landscape of the vitamin B complex, a powerhouse team of 8 unique members, each with their own crucial functions. These vitamins are B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, and B12. Together, they form a dynamic group that's essential for maintaining our body's overall vitality. First off, we have thiamine or vitamin B1. This key player enables our bodies to use carbohydrates as energy. It's also integral for glucose metabolism, and it plays a critical role in nerve, muscle, and heart function. Riboflavin or vitamin B2 is next in line. It's a vital nutrient that helps our bodies break down proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. It also plays a pivotal role in maintaining the body's energy supply. Niacin or vitamin B3 takes the stage next. It aids in the function of the digestive system, skin, and nerves. It's also important for the conversion of food to energy. Pantothenic acid or vitamin B5 is crucial for the synthesis of coenzyme A, which is involved in various metabolic pathways. It's also vital for the production of red blood cells. Pyridoxine, or vitamin B6, is a jack of all trades, involved in more than 100 enzyme reactions, mostly concerned with protein metabolism. Biotin, or vitamin B7, is renowned for its role in hair and nail health, but it also aids in metabolism of fats and carbohydrates. Folate, or vitamin B9, is a key player in DNA synthesis and repair, and the formation of red blood cells. Lastly, we have cobalamin, or vitamin B12. It's essential for neurological function and the synthesis of DNA. To ensure you're getting your daily dose of this supergroup, include whole grains, beans, peas, and lean meats in your diet. The B complex vitamins are truly the energy boosters of our body. These vitamins, working in harmony, ensure that our bodies function optimally, keeping us energetic and healthy. So here's to the complex but vital world of vitamin B. Now, let's bask in the light of vitamin D. Our body's need for vitamin D is as clear as daylight. This essential nutrient, often deemed the sunshine vitamin, plays a significant role in our overall health. Its primary responsibility? To aid in the absorption of calcium, promoting strong, healthy bones. Without vitamin D, our bodies would struggle to absorb calcium effectively, which could lead to weakened bones and conditions like osteoporosis. But where does one find this sunny vitamin? The answer is as close as your nearest window. Our bodies naturally produce vitamin D when our skin is exposed to sunlight. However, it's also available in certain foods. Fortified dairy products, for instance, are often abundant in vitamin D. Likewise, fish oils are another excellent source of this vital nutrient. So, next time you step outside on a sunny day, remember you're doing your bones a favor. So don't shy away from the sun. It's your daily dose of vitamin D. Moving on, we have vitamin E. This remarkable nutrient is a powerful antioxidant, playing a pivotal role in protecting our body's cells from damage. But what exactly does this mean? In simple terms, think of vitamin E as your body's own superhero, swooping in to neutralize harmful free radicals and prevent oxidative stress. This process is vital in maintaining healthy skin, eyes, and a strong immune system. Now, where can we find this incredible nutrient? You'll be happy to know that vitamin E is abundant in a variety of delicious foods. Nuts and seeds, for instance, are a rich source. Almonds, sunflower seeds, and hazelnuts are all packed with vitamin E. And let's not forget about green leafy vegetables. Spinach, broccoli, and kale are just a few of the veggies that can help you meet your daily vitamin E requirements. Keep in mind, vitamin E is the body's defense warrior. It's always on guard, ensuring your cells are protected and functioning at their best. Last but not least, we have vitamin K. This crucial vitamin plays a significant role in our body's health and wellness, with two areas standing out in particular: blood clotting and bone metabolism. When it comes to blood clotting, vitamin K takes center stage. It's like the conductor of an orchestra, guiding the body's clotting factors to work in harmony and prevent excessive bleeding. Without it, even a minor cut could potentially lead to serious complications. But vitamin K isn't just about clotting. It also plays a pivotal role in bone metabolism, helping to ensure our bones remain strong and healthy. It's a silent hero in the fight against osteoporosis, a condition that weakens bones and makes them brittle. So where can we find vitamin K? It's abundant in leafy green vegetables, fish, liver, meat, and cereals. By incorporating these foods into our diet, we can ensure we're getting enough of this vital nutrient. So vitamin K is a key player in keeping our blood and bones healthy. To wrap it all up, let's take a moment to reflect on the fascinating journey we've just taken through the world of vitamins. Those tiny yet powerful substances that play such an essential role in our health and well-being. We started with vitamin A, the night vision champion, and its crucial role in maintaining healthy vision, supporting our immune system, and ensuring proper growth and development. We then delved into the vitamin B complex, a team of 8 distinct vitamins, each with its own special function, from boosting energy levels and brain function to promoting cell health and growth. Our journey then took us to vitamin D, affectionately known as the sunshine vitamin. This vitamin, unique in that our bodies can produce it when our skin is exposed to sunlight, plays a vital role in calcium absorption and bone health, as well as supporting our immune system. Next, we explored vitamin E, the antioxidant powerhouse. This vitamin protects our cells from damage, supports our immune system, and plays a role in maintaining healthy skin and eyes. Finally, we navigated the world of vitamin K, the blood clotter. This vitamin plays a key role in blood clotting, helping to prevent excessive bleeding, and also supports bone health. Each vitamin plays a unique and vital role in our bodies, and it's important to remember that while supplements can be helpful, the best way to ensure we're getting all these essential vitamins is through a varied and balanced diet. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can provide us with all the vitamins we need for a healthy body and mind. So, let's make a commitment to ourselves to eat a balanced diet, not just for the vitamins, but for the multitude of other nutrients that our bodies need to function at their best. Remember, a varied and balanced diet is the key to a healthy body and mind, rich in all these vital vitamins.